Hello my guys, how are you today? We are going to play a so much fun game. It's about guessing an encrypted message. Ooh! And to do that, we're going to use these super special binoculars. I love them. Look, here's the first sentence and see that everything we're checking today points the present perfect. That means actions we've done in the past that are important right now for this moment because we're asking them, yes, we're going to guess what other things have I done this last summer? Okay, let's do it. Have you this last summer? Okay, so you see those school objects there? Those are the signs for the encryption. So we need to just find what letter hides each single object. Let's use the binoculars. Come on, let's see here. Pencil hides a T. Okay, T. Rubber hides R. Ruler is A. Board is V. School bag is E. Okay, we're almost there. Glue is double L. Great. And school bag again, E, and folder D, we have it. What's the word? Troubled, right? Troubled. Have you troubled this last summer? Got it. I know what it is, yes? See that in the present perfect, we must accompany the verb have with the action in past participle, ed, right? For regular verbs. Yes, I've traveled this last summer. I visited some villages near my hometown, but I have not traveled long distances. Okay, next one. Have you something new? Have you something new? Take your pencil, come on. Let's see. Crayons is the L. School bag is E. Ruler again is A. Rubber is R. Markers is M. Okay, what else? School bag is E and folder is D. So what? The full word is learned, right? Learn. Have you learned something new? Okay, what a question. If I've learned something new, like study a new language or started a new hobby, let me just think. Yes, I have. I've learned new techniques of meditation. Yes, to be more relaxed. One more question. Have you chocolate ice creams? Okay, I love chocolate. So let's check what's the verb. Pen is M, ruler is A, folder is E, D, and school bag is E. Made. If I've made like cooking, no, I haven't made chocolate ice creams. I don't know how to. Have you made them?
Hi children! So today is Tuesday in the park. So what we are going to do is to organize all these sentences that are not organized and make them have sense. And for that we are going to use the present perfect. So let's see how do we do this. We start from the first one and it says washed, have, face, my, cold, water, with, I. Okay. So we always start by the person, in this case I. So I, well done. Then the verb, I have washed. My, what is next? My face, right? Because it makes sense now in the sentence. My face with cold water. Well done! I have washed my face with cold water. Okay, let's go for the next one. So, have I my brush teeth electronic the with brush? Okay, let's see how do we do this one. Let's start by the person, I, and then we follow the verb like in here. So I have brushed, I have brushed what? What is next? My, right? My teeth, so like my face, my teeth, here, teeth, my teeth, with what? Not with cold water, that was before. With the electronic brush. Well done, with the electronic brush. Amazing. Okay, we go for the next one. And we start by the person again. I, because it says had I have before breakfast to coming park the. So, I, and then have the verb again, have, had. I have had what? Breakfast before what? Before coming to the, what is this place? The park, right? Well done. Cool. Okay, we go for the next one. So, prepare I my have today school bag for. Let's organize a sentence then. So, we will start again for the person. So, I, and we continue with the verb. I have prepared my school bag for today. All right, I have prepared my school bag for today. Well done, kids. Let's keep on doing. We continue with the next one, and it says, I have, again the verb, made my own bed. Great! It's very good to do your own bed, definitely. Okay, we are going to read all the sentences. I have washed my face with cold water. I have brushed my teeth with electronic brush. I have had breakfast before coming to the park. I have prepared my school bag for today. And I have made my own bed. Well done!